Hello everyone, welcome to the coordinate. In the previous video, we have successfully create product handler and create product command and create product DTO. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to create the update product. So then go to the create the new folder for the update product. Right click, add new folder called update product. In the update product, we similarly create the DTO for update product. Right click, new update product DTO. Now I'm going to copy the same property here because the same validation we require for update also. I'm going to add one more property, public ID, and then required. Product ID is required because in the update case we already have the product and now I'm going to update the product. So that's why the product ID is required in the update case. Rest are the same as for the create. Now I'm going to create the product handler. So just copy update product handler, or command class command, then public record, then I request. Similar way, I'm going to use the same product command DTO for update also. But in the update case, we have one more property called product ID. Get this dot. We are using this because we kept the same name. If we do this way, like I'm show you, or we use the underscore or something else, so we cannot require for this operator because the property are the same. That's why I'm going to use the, if you can do this way, so you not require the you can say this operator. So or you can use the spelling lower and uppercase like this product here. So then you have to use the this operator. So maybe you use some different name or different spelling. Like I'm going to, if we change here product ID, then we not required for the this operator. Simple. Or we can say the product DTO. So we not require here. So it depend what you feel name is choosing, but it's not mandatory. Now the product command is ready. Now we I'm going to create the product handler. Now same way, class product handler. I request handler. Similarly, we required both two things for the this request and response. So request update command and the same response what we are going to return is product DTO. It's quite simple. Now I'm going to add the constructor, make it public class because it's accessible. Now again I'm write private read only I product repository. And now I'm going to add the constructor the same way. Now because we have the product ID, so first where product ID equals to request dot product ID. This product ID is this one. Okay. Then where product, or we can say existing product, get product by ID. So get product by ID. Then we use await. Why it giving the error? Okay, cancellation token. Now, so there is a chance if the product is exist, or there is a chance the product is not exist. So if product exists, if product not equals to null, if product not equal to null, then we can update. Then we can update. So existing product name, the request DTO, and request dot description, and then we can call the update method where updated product equals to this. Now I am going to return where product DTO equals to new product DTO, then dot ID, updated product dot name, then updated product dot price, and updated product dot description. This is the all the parameter belongs to this DTO. So you have to map this DTO for return. You can only return the good ID. If you don't want to return all those things, based on that your requirement, you can modify your request. Now else, then we have to make the return product DTO. If it is null, then we can return null. I will show you how to raise the error if the product is not found in the error handling sections. So in this way, we have successfully created the update product handler and the command. So thank you for watching this video.